He's not happy. His complaint is balding at the crown. 35 years old, came all the way from Singapore. Today is day 2. We're going to see all the graphs that will fill up at the crown. Let's see his progress at day 2 today. This is the crown area where patient is not happy. There's no more hair or the balding area. Vertically, from this point to this point is about 12 centimeters. Horizontally is about from this point to this point is 10 centimeters. Today is day 2. We have done a very good graft care, and we can see we already fill up or grafted the crown area here. We already fill up according to the density, the angle and direction. Now in the crown is most challenging. Each graft when we put, the angle and direction is changing. To get a good result and natural, we have to follow the exact how the natural hair emerge from the center and it goes up at the crown area here.